Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We're here with a brand new unboxing, unbagging. This arrived in the mail today. I have no idea what it could be. It's from the Netherlands. It's from Mark and Lucas in the Netherlands. And I don't know who those people are. I must have ordered something at some time from somewhere and forgotten. So let's see what it is. I'm always ordering stuff, and sometimes if it takes a long time, I don't remember what it is. Oh, you know what? This is just an Amazon order that took a long time to come. That's all it is. It's nothing. I was so excited. I thought, oh, what did I get from the Netherlands? Super excited, but no. It is. It says, dear customer, thank you very much for your purchase. And yeah, this is just an Amazon thing. And it's a masking marker. So I ordered this for my watercolor a long time ago. It took a long time to come in, obviously, because it's coming from the Netherlands. And I forgot that I even ordered it. So it's just a little fine tip masking fluid pen. I just want to smell it. It's not that bad. It's the blue kind. So you do this, you draw on the paper where you want white to show, because with watercolor, you have to either leave your whites by painting around it and leaving white on the paper, or using some sort of masking fluid or masking marker. And I saw someone on YouTube, and I'm sorry I can't remember who used this, and they said it was really good, so I thought I'll give it a shot. I don't even know what I paid for it, because I can't even find it on my Amazon, because it's been a while. But I'm going to scroll back a few pages, see if I can find it. So hang on. Okay, I guess I didn't order it as long ago as I thought. I ordered this on October 8th, and today that I'm recording is October 24th, but I don't know when this will go on the channel. So it's just I'm used to Amazon coming in 2 or 3 days tops. So I completely forgot that I got this. And this was... well, right now it's $9.78 for this marker. I'm pretty sure that's what I paid, but I'm not 100%. So let's click on my order. I paid $9.82. So it's a few cents cheaper right now. And it's a removable scratch masking marker for precise and sharp flowing watercolor paint line width. It's just like nonsense the way the words are. It doesn't make real good sense. But it's just a masking fluid in a marker. So it lets you get fine tip lines. Like say you want to draw something where you need smaller lines. It's just easier than using regular masking fluid with a paintbrush. Or that is the hope. So I was really excited thinking maybe someone sent me something. But it's just my marker. My masking fluid marker. Alright guys. Yeah. That's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.